and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kazaya, the priceless teacher, and what I do is help you with sounds and pronunciation. Do you know letter Y can give three different sounds as a E, I, E sound. Would you like to know the rule? Come with me and let me show you the rule with some examples.
Clear enunciation. So much more.
Yes, it's time for us to dive into the sound and its rule. So, whenever you want to use letter Y, first sound, letter Y gives the sound E at the beginning of a word. For example, yolk, yes, yet, yell. And also, letter Y also gives the I sound when it comes in one syllable word. But remember, it must end the word and no other vowel sound must come after the letter Y. For example, I have fly, fry, sky, my. And lastly, letter Y gives the E sound in an unstressed syllable, and sometimes it comes in more than one syllable. For example, party, lazy, happy. I hope you're happy to be educated on this. Well, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I remain Kazaya, the priceless teacher. Bye.
We can see in this hub we're learning free. Dee-priceless.